Now the balance section of the previous questions continues here. So the first question is, for what logic gate the output is complement of the input? In this logic gates, the output is complement of the input. Which one of this? So the answer is NOT gate. Why NOT gate? We know that the NOT gate is just to complement of its input. That means if the input is 1, the output become 0. If the input is 0, the output become 1 in NOT gate. All other gates are not the complement of inputs. So the answer is A. All other answers are wrong. It is a simple question. Then next question is, which gate is known as universal gate? In these following gates, which gate is known as universal gate? What is a universal gate? A universal gate is a gate which can create all other gates or all other basic gates using these gates. That is called a universal gates. There are mainly two types of universal gates. First one, NAND gate. Second one, NOR gate. These two gates are called universal gates. Which of them are? NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. Here the answers are NOT gate, NAND gate, AND gate, XOR gate. So the correct answer is NAND gates. That is, B is the correct answer. A, C, D are wrong answers. One of the universal gates is NOR gates are also universal gate. NOR gates are also universal gates. So two universal gates are there. First one NAND, second one NOR gates. Okay. Then next question. A half order is also known as. A half order is also known as. What is an half order? Half order is used to, it is discussed in the previous sections classes. So half order is used to add 2 bits of binary number. Add only 2 bits. The full adder is used to add 3 bits. Half adder is used to add only 2 bits. So half adder uses to store the sum. For storing the sum, half adder uses XOR gate, and storing the carry, half adder uses AND gate. So two gates are used to create an half adder. That means XOR gate and AND gate. So here the answers are AND, NAND, NOR and XOR circuit. So half adder is also known as XOR circuit because the sum is stored in the XOR gate. So it is called a XOR circuit because it is stored the sum in XOR gate and the carry is stored in the AND gate. So the answer is D. All other answers are wrong. So next question is, the radix of the binary number is dash. What is the radix of a binary number? What is radix? A radix or base is the number of symbols used in a number system. Number of symbols used in a number system is called a radix or base. In hexadecimal number system, it uses 16 symbols. So the base is 16 or the radix is 16. In octal number system, it uses mainly 8 symbols. That means 0 to 7 symbols. So its radix is 8. In decimal number system, it uses 10 symbols. That means 0 to 9. So its radix is 10. In the case of binary number system, it uses only 2 symbols, that is 0 and 1. So its base is or radix is 2. That is, it uses only 2 symbols, 0 and 1. So the radix is 2. So the answer is B. All other answers are wrong. Then next question. The output of which of the following gate is 0 only if at least one of the input is 1. In this gate, the output is 0 only if at least one of the input is 1. In the below gates, which of the condition is occur? That means output is 0 if any one of the input is 1. It is AND gate? No, it is wrong. XOR gate? No, because it is wrong. OR gate? No. So the answer is NOR gate. The correct answer is D, NOR gate. Why? We know that the NOR gate truth table, if the both inputs are low or 0, the output become 1. Otherwise, the output become 0. That means if any one of the input is 1, the output becomes 0. Here the question is also this. That means the output is 0, at least one of the input is 1. So the NOR gate is the answer, because NOR gate 0 1s are input, the output becomes 0. 1 0 are the input, the output become again 0. 1 1 are the outputs, the output become inputs, the output become again 0. So in NOR gate, if any one of the input is 1, the output becomes 0. So it is the answer D. Then next question. The number of binary bits required to represent hexadecimal gate is dash. Number of binary bits required to represent hexadecimal gate is dash. What is hexadecimal? Hexadecimal use 16 symbols or 16 radix. Its radix or base is 16 because it uses 16 symbols. That means 0 to 9, 10 symbols. Then A, B, C, D, E, F corresponding 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. The 15 is called F, 10 is called A. So it uses 16 symbols. It is called a hexadecimal. So how to represent hexadecimal in the form of 2 to the power? So we can use 2 raised to 3 in octal because it uses only 7 symbols. So we can create the combination of 8 bits. So it is the 2 raised to 3 means 8 symbols we can include in this octal system. 2 raised to 4 means we can include 16 symbols or 16 gates in the hexadecimal system. So 2 raised to 4 means 16. So the answer is C. All other answers are wrong. In the case of octal system, here the answer is 3. Because 2 raised to 3, we can create the combination of 8 inputs. Okay. So in this hexadecimal, here uses hexadecimal gates. So we can use 2 raised to 4. That means here the answer is 4. Because 2 raised to 4 means 16. Here hexadecimal uses 16 symbols. Okay, thank you. So these are the part 2 questions of previous Boolean algebra or logic gates questions. Okay, thank you.